Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. This video will explore various natural ingredients, incredible benefits, and versatile uses. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your favorite dishes, these ingredients are powerhouses of nutrition. Join us as we uncover how incorporating them into your daily routine can elevate your health and culinary experiences, making your meals tasty and nourishing. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support. Avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins E and K, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They can elevate salads, add creaminess to smoothies, and serve as a delicious spread on toast. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados promote heart health and nourish your skin, making them a must-have ingredient for wellness and culinary creativity. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing effects on skin and digestive health. This versatile plant can be consumed as a refreshing juice or applied topically to alleviate burns and irritations. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that promotes overall wellness and enhances your skincare routine with its powerful anti-inflammatory and hydrating properties. Garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse ingredient known for its immune-boosting properties. It adds a robust flavor to various dishes, from pasta to stir-fries, making meals more delicious. Additionally, garlic may support cardiovascular health by helping lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making it a valuable addition to your kitchen and wellness routine. Celery. Celery is a low-calorie vegetable packed with high water content, making it a refreshing choice for hydration. It's versatile in the kitchen, perfect for adding crunch to salads, enriching soups, or enjoying a healthy snack. Additionally, celery may aid digestion, making it a beneficial addition to your diet for overall wellness and hydration. Cloves. Cloves are aromatic spices widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. Their rich flavor enhances dishes while offering numerous health benefits. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, cloves support overall wellness. They also significantly promote oral health and aid digestion, making them valuable to your culinary creations and health regimen. Ginger. Ginger is a versatile ingredient celebrated for culinary and medicinal uses. It effectively alleviates nausea and digestive issues, making it a go-to remedy. You can enjoy ginger in soothing teas, flavorful cooking, or even baking. With its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, ginger enhances your dishes and supports your overall health and well-being. Mint. Mint is a refreshing herb known for its vibrant flavor and versatile uses. It enhances beverages like teas, cocktails, and dishes ranging from salads to desserts. Mint is celebrated for its digestive benefits and cooling properties, making it a soothing meal addition. Additionally, it plays a role in aromatherapy and natural remedies, promoting relaxation and well-being. Nopal. Nopal cactus is a nutritious ingredient known for its high fiber content and low-calorie nature. It is commonly used in traditional Mexican dishes and adds a unique texture and flavor to meals. Additionally, nopal may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial choice for those looking to support their health while enjoying delicious, authentic cuisine. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a powerful herb known for its numerous health benefits and culinary applications. It promotes lactation in nursing mothers and aids digestion, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Fenugreek can enhance flavors of dishes in cooking and herbal remedies, while potentially helping control blood sugar levels and supporting overall health and wellness. Star anise. Star anise is a unique spice known for its sweet, licorice-like flavor, making it a popular choice in culinary dishes and aromatic teas. Beyond its delightful taste, star anise boasts potential antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, contributing to overall health. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, it has been valued for supporting digestion and boosting immunity. Cumin is a flavorful spice that enhances dishes across various cuisines, adding depth and warmth to meals. Known for its digestive benefits, cumin can help alleviate bloating and improve gut health. Additionally, its antioxidant properties support overall wellness, while some studies suggest it may play a role in weight management, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Lemon. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Their bright, tangy flavor enhances drinks, dressings, and desserts, adding a refreshing twist to your meals. Additionally, lemons may promote skin health and hydration, helping maintain a radiant complexion while supporting overall wellness, making them a versatile ingredient in cooking and skincare. Linden. Linden flowers are cherished for their calming properties and are traditionally used in herbal teas to promote relaxation. Known for their potential benefits in alleviating sleep disturbances and anxiety, linden can help create a sense of tranquility. Additionally, these flowers may soothe respiratory issues, making them a valuable natural remedy for overall well-being and comfort. Bark whole. Various tree bark has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, offering a range of medicinal properties. Willow bark is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, while cinnamon bark can aid digestion. These barks are often incorporated into herbal remedies, providing natural support for inflammation and digestive health, making them valuable additions to holistic wellness practices. Fish oil. Fish oil supplements are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for overall health. These beneficial fats support heart health by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure. Additionally, fish oil may enhance brain function and cognitive health while significantly decreasing inflammation, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Mistletoe. Mistletoe has a rich history in herbal medicine and is traditionally used for its healing properties. It supports immune health, helping the body fend off illnesses. In modern times, mistletoe is often found in herbal supplements. It is valued for its potential benefits in promoting overall wellness and enhancing vitality, making it a noteworthy addition to natural health practices. Oaxaca herb. Oaxaca herb, known for its unique, earthy flavor, is a staple in traditional Mexican dishes, adding depth to salsas and stews. Rich in nutrients, it offers potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond its culinary uses, the Oaxaca herb holds cultural significance in Mexican cuisine, symbolizing the region's rich culinary heritage and vibrant flavors. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and dietary fiber. They can be easily incorporated into smoothies, baking, and cereals, enhancing flavor and nutrition. With potential benefits for heart health and improved digestion, flax seeds are a versatile addition to your diet, supporting overall wellness in delicious ways. Rose hips. Rose hips are packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your health regimen. Commonly used in teas, jams, and dietary supplements, they offer a delightful flavor while supporting overall wellness. With potential benefits for skin health and boosting immunity, rose hips are a natural way to enhance your beauty and vitality. Noni juice. Noni juice is renowned for its rich antioxidant properties, offering a range of potential health benefits. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, it supports overall wellness and vitality. Many people incorporate noni juice into their daily routine to boost energy levels and enhance immunity, making it a popular choice for those seeking natural ways to improve their health. Shark oil. Shark oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their numerous health benefits. It is often used to support joint health, helping to reduce inflammation and improve mobility. Additionally, shark oil is valued for its potential benefits for skin health, making it a popular choice in traditional medicine practices for promoting overall wellness and vitality. Greasewood. Greasewood has a rich history in Native American medicine, where it has been traditionally used for its healing properties. Known for its potential anti-inflammatory effects, greasewood is often incorporated into herbal remedies to address various ailments. Its significance in traditional practices highlights the value of this plant in promoting health and well-being within indigenous cultures. Incorporating these natural ingredients into your daily life can significantly enhance your health and well-being. We encourage you to explore and experiment with these remedies to discover their benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may also benefit from this valuable information. Thank you for watching,